Many high performers feel an inexplicable friction, a recurring pattern of hesitation or irrational anxiety that prevents them from reaching their next level of operation. You are not lacking strategy, you are experiencing systemic latency caused by unaddressed developmental programming. Today, we install the Inner Child Calibration to identify and resolve these legacy files that are slowing down your current production. The bottleneck is programmed insecurity. During your formative years, your brain established survival protocols, coping mechanisms that were useful then but are catastrophic to your high-performance goals now. When you encounter a challenge today, that old, outdated software triggers, causing you to freeze, seek validation, or self-sabotage. To clear this, you must implement legacy debugging. This is the clinical identification of which past experiences are currently driving your present-day fear. Next, execute system updating. You do not heal your past by dwelling on it. You neutralize it by rewriting the underlying logic. Acknowledge that the child within you was solving a survival problem, then consciously override that command with your adult high-performance logic. Remind yourself that you have the resources, the systems, and the autonomy that your younger self lacked. This turns your reactive, fear-based patterns into calm, logical decision-making. Finally, practice recursive validation. Your ambition is often driven by a need to prove yourself to a version of yourself that no longer exists. Shift that requirement. Your success should be built on the architecture of your current mission, not the needs of your past. By separating your adult output from your childhood survival needs, you regain total control over your emotional landscape. Stop letting your past run your operating system. Debug your internal code and reclaim the bandwidth wasted on legacy fears. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busy work. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.